Hey, how's it going, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys may already know, but I recently picked up the 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. And for today's video, there's been something that's been really bugging me on that truck, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it. So these trucks from factory, they do come with a soft release tailgate. What that means is when you do open the tailgate, it slowly comes out. Unfortunately, due to wear and tear and maybe just bad design from GMC, there's a piece of plastic on the tailgate hinges that just deteriorates over time. So for today's video, we are going to be installing this little plastic piece right here and hoping that's going to fix the soft release, but we'll see about that. So let's just go ahead and get started.
So here's an example of how the soft release has failed. And to begin, let's go and put some padding down on the tailgate, and then we'll need to release this cable. Now we're going to yank it out of the socket. This may take several tries depending on how much of the bushing is left. Once it's out, we will need to pick out all of the remaining bushings. Don't forget to check the socket as well. Now let's go ahead and clean it up. I'm using some brake cleaner here. For the next step, I decided to apply some lithium grease just to see if the bushing will last longer. However, you don't need to do this part. Once it's cleaned up and lubricated, it's time to put in the new bushing. For this step, I used the dead blow to force it in. Now it's time to put the new bushing back into the socket. This may take several tries as well. And now let's see how it works. And then here's some before and after shots. And that concludes this video. Hope this was helpful for everyone. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.